Hey guys, so today I'm gonna be reacting to another video. This time it's gonna be an SML short. I'm gonna be this SML short is called Jeffy Has Hiccups. So this is probably one of my favorite videos because it was really funny and you know, stuff like that. But anyway, let's get into it. 3, 2, 1.
Hey, Daddy. Jeffy, what do you want? I was wondering if I could go in the bathroom and save my pee-pee in the toilet seat. Jeffy, you have the hiccups. The hiccups? Why? I don't know. They just come randomly, but they're really annoying. I hate them. Jeffy, stop doing that. I can't help it, Daddy. Well, then go over there and do it. I don't want to hear them. Daddy! Okay, we have to get rid of those hiccups. Just hold your breath for a really long time. Hold my breath? Why? Just hold your breath and it'll make them go away. Just hold your breath until you can't breathe anymore. Keep holding your breath. Keep holding your breath. Okay, you can breathe. Jeffy, breathe!
He's dead.
You can breathe, Jeffy! Hold on.
Here lies Jeffy, an innocent kid that died because his dad forced him to hold his breath.
Jeffy, come on. CPR. Oh, you're alive, Jeffy. Thanks, Dad.
Keep scaring him.
No, not quite. I'm gonna have to go out to my car and get a few things. Okay. Go!
Nope.
Oh, man, this kid's got nerves of steel.
Oh, okay.
All right.
What's stage 2?
All right. Well, stage 2 is basically go.
That's not gonna work.
It's not working. Come on, follow me. Go! Back on that.
Come on.
Yeah, still nothing. All right.
Jeffy, come on.
Okay, stage 2 is the balloon effect. Jeffy, take this balloon and hold it.
A balloon?
Okay, you like that balloon, Jeffy?
Yeah, I like a balloon.
Go!
Ah,
Man, I
use
really
the
thought this was
mask.
gonna work.
Use the mask.
All right, okay, stage 2 for real this time. You like that balloon, Jeffy?
Yeah.
All right, on to stage 3.
All right, come on, Jeffy.
All right, so stage 3 is the angry drunk dad coming home from work stage. It scares the kids every time.
Wait, what?
Sharon, where's my
This is my favorite one.
Sharon, I got laid off at work today, Sharon. Sharon, what is this? Soggy Cookie Crisp for dinner again, Sharon? That's not healthy.
That's not healthy.
Where's my kid so I can yell at him? Don't make me get the mask. Boo!
What?
Yeah. Did that work?
Wow.
All right, on to stage 4. All right, so stage 4 is the apple on the head stage.
What? Apple on the head stage?
Yeah, it's where we put an apple on Jeffy's head and we shoot it off with a crossbow.
Whoa,
A
gosh.
crossbow?
Yeah.
Isn't that dangerous?
Well, yeah, it's dangerous. That's why it's scary.
Well, what happens if you miss?
Well, if I miss, the arrow goes through Jeffy's head and he dies instantly. But if I hit the apple, it'll be awesome.
Okay.
All right, let me go get my goggles. Boom!
That's your goggles.
I'm gonna get them eventually. All right, let's do this.
Oh.
Okay.
I thought that was his
Let's
goggles.
shoot this apple.
Okay, Jeffy, are you ready?
Yeah, I'm ready.
Yeah, he's ready.
Okay, 3, 2, 1.
Jeffy, are
Epic.
you okay? Yeah. Oh, he still has hiccups.
Well, he may still have hiccups, but look at that shot! Bullseye!
Well, what are we gonna do about his hiccups?
Yeah, and if you want more bad news, I also put a hole in your wall.
What?
Yeah, okay, on to stage 5.
Whoa.
For stage 5, we got a bomb here!
What, a bomb?
Yeah, a bomb! And Jeffy has to deactivate it by cutting one of those wires, and if he cuts the
it's
wrong
blurry.
one, it explodes and we all die!
Okay.
Well, which wire does he
There you go.
cut?
The black one!
They're all black.
Yeah, I know, that's why it's scary. We gotta get rid of those hiccups!
Oh, okay, Jeffy, choose a wire. But Daddy, I don't know which one to pick.
Just shoot the wire, Jeffy!
Oh, yeah, okay, eeny, meeny, miny,
That's an Apple Watch.
that one. What?
Did it work? Did I scare you?
What?
Oh, man.
Why did the bomb go off?
Well, it's not a real bomb. It's just an Apple Watch taped to a firecracker taped to an Xbox power brick.
Oh.
Yeah. Anyway, on to the next one. All right. So
That's my second favorite one.
Push Jeffy out of a plane without a parachute.
What?
Yeah. Hopefully, the fear of hitting the ground and dying is gonna get rid of his hiccups.
But what if he actually dies?
Oh, don't worry. He's not gonna die. Not as long long as he hits the Twister mat.
What's the Twister mat?
Yeah, you know Twister, like the board game?
Yeah.
As long as he lands left hand red, we're good.
What?
Doesn't work that way.
There you go.
Geronimo!
Jeffy, are you okay?
Well, he landed
Success.
left hand on red, so I'd say that's a win in my book.
But is his hiccups gone?
Nope.
What do we do now?
All right, it's time for stage 7. The worst, most scary thing that I can think of.
What is that?
All right, everybody, put your stuff on the counter and make sure it's open.
Yeah.
Good. All right,
Oh,
how much I owe
is
you?
that popcorn? Because if it is, that would be good, tasty.
Okay, let me just get my wallet. Oh, wait, where's my wallet?
Wait, that's the scary thing?
I forgot my wallet. I must
Losing
have
your
left it at home.
forgetting your wallet.
Oh no, how am I gonna pay for all this?
Oh my
we already
gosh.
opened it and I drank my drink, but what are we gonna do? Do you have your wallet?
No, I
Nope.
have my wallet.
Oh no! What a scary situation! How are we gonna pay you? What do we do?
You scared of a fly?
It's trying to eat my face.
Wait, Jeffy, I think his hiccups are gone.
Wait, really?
Yeah.
Wait, Jeffy, do you have hiccups? I think so. What? I think that fly. It cured his hiccups.
What?
Oh no. No, please. Please don't do that.
All right. I'm gonna go get the crossbow. Boom!
You have to scare how would you scare someone if you had to? I would creep up behind their back with the mask that I have. I'll show you the mask. It's here, so here it is. Jason Voorhees mask. I would creep up behind them with this mask on. I'll be like, boo! Like that. Just like Brooklyn guy did with that mask. But anyway, this was a good reaction. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.